Alright, what's up you guys? It's your girl Hannah, back with another video. So, as you already read by the title, I'm giving myself a lash perm today. Yes, this is the year I finally give myself a lash perm. This is the kit that I got. And so, my ass was on Instagram one day. I saw this on Instagram, like just on one of those little like promotion ads. I saw this like being used and I was like, I need to try this because I'm all about big lashes. Like, big lashes will never be out of season. There is no one who's gonna not stand a big lash, you know? So I saw this on Instagram and then I ordered it, and it was from some website or some company called 4Chicks. Like, I think I paid honestly like 30 something dollars for it. After I received it, I opened it and it doesn't even say 4Chicks anywhere on the package, and it has another brand's name, Icon Sign. So I then looked up the Icon Sign brand. Turns out this exact lash kit can be bought on Amazon for like 20 bucks. So I kind of got ripped off a little bit. Should have checked Amazon before buying it off of Instagram, but I looked at the reviews on Amazon and there were a lot of mixed reviews. We're just gonna get into this and see how this works out. I feel like the worst thing that could happen is like it starts making my eyelashes fall out or something. Ooh, okay, so it just slides out like this, I guess. Directions are on the back. It took like 21 days to get to me, y'all. It's like one of those really long, on a boat from China packages. On the 4Chicks website where I ordered it from, it said that it was cruelty free, so I don't know. I don't even know. Like, I might have been like, this might be like fake. Like, what is this fake? Okay. Use the cleaning liquid to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue. Comes in like a tiny, oh my god, I almost dropped it. Oh, that would have been horrible. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a cotton pad thing. Oh my gosh, my skin color looks purple compared to my concealer. It looks like I just got hit in the face. Now that all the makeup around my eyeballs is removed. Step 2 is apply the eye pads under the eyelids to protect our skin from the perming lotion. Apply the eye pads on the under eyelids. Okay, so we're supposed to get the eyelashes to stick onto these eyelid pads with this false lash glue. Let's zoom in so y'all can get a good look here. Okay, so these are already kind of sticky right off the bat. Now, a lot of the negative reviews had something bad to say about this lash glue not working, so. Oh god, am I gonna do this right? How do I do it? Trying really hard. This looks scary. Oh, I've used so much glue and it's just, they keep coming back down. It just looks so wrong. Okay, wait, now that it's drying down more, it's getting easier, I think. Okay, everyone. I think it's safe to move on to the next step. This hurts. Okay, bitches, you better stay. Oh no, don't tell me, bitch. Oh, this just smells so bad. It smells like farts. There's nothing to apply this with. How the hell? What do they expect my ass to do? I guess I could use Q-tips. Shit. This shit is literal white. Please don't get in my eyeballs. It's like clumpy and smelly. Totally got in my eye. Okay, so this doesn't look healthy. It smells like horseshit. Alright, use the number 2 fixing agent to blue in color for the same amount of time. So, little guy, blue. Oh, yeah, this seems like it smells better at least. So this is the last serum that I am applying with these eyelid pads on. I'm kind of nervous that whenever I take off these eyelash pads, my eyelashes are just gonna come off with it. Okay. Okay, now it says to use the yellow nutrition lotion. Okay, I'm looking like SpongeBob right now. So it says use this cleaning stuff to wipe off all the residue. The finished product is here. I honestly think they are standing up pretty well. Let's see how long they stand up for. I'm gonna redo my concealer. Okay, so now I'm actually gonna pop on a little bit of clear mascara. Okay, so I feel like that worked pretty well. Pretty impressed. What's up? So it's the next morning. I want to show y'all how my eyelashes are doing because they are holding up pretty well after sleeping on them, and I am a face sleeper. So it looks like I have eyelash extensions in this one, and these are just more apart, I think. But damn. Imagine how good they're gonna look when I put mascara on. I'm kind of digging it right now. I like it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That would help me out a lot. And subscribe to my channel down below and hit the little bell button so you'll get notifications every time I post. I will also have this eyelash perm kit linked down below on Amazon because that's where it's cheaper. I think it's worth it for the money. I mean, 20 bucks. And if they stay curled for like a month, like they say, then heck yeah. Like, why get extensions when you can just do this? Anyways, so yeah, I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you back for my next video. Bye guys.